In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add unsubscribed email in Mautic. We're going to place a proper unsubscribe message inside a Mautic email using the built-in token, so every recipient has a clear, compliant way to opt out. This is essential for deliverability and for meeting email regulations, and the process only takes a minute once you know where to look. Start by opening your Mautic account and logging in with an account that can edit emails. After you're in, look at the main navigation. From the left-hand menu, go to Channels, then choose Emails. This is where all your email assets live, including drafts and published messages. Find the email you want to update. You can search or filter if you have a long list. Once you see the correct email, open it and click Edit. That takes you into the email settings and content area. From here, switch to the Builder. The Builder is where you control the layout and content blocks that appear in your message. Inside the Builder, add a text block to the email. Most teams place this near the footer so it's easy to find without distracting from the main content. Make sure the text color contrasts well with the background so it remains readable, even on mobile. With the text block selected, use the Insert Token option. Tokens are dynamic placeholders that Mautic replaces automatically for each recipient at send time. From the token list, choose Unsubscribe Text. This token inserts a complete, ready-to-use unsubscribe line with the correct link for that contact. It's much safer than pasting a static URL because Mautic handles personalization and routing behind the scenes. If you want, add a short introduction around the token, like, if you no longer wish to receive these emails, but avoid changing the token itself. Keep your language clear, respectful, and short. You can also style the text to match your brand shot. Just be sure it remains accessible and easy to click. When you're happy with the placement, click Save in the Builder. Then apply changes so your updates are committed to the email. That ensures the unsubscribed text will appear the next time the email is sent. Before you schedule a campaign, consider using preview and test features to confirm the unsubscribed text is visible, functional, and aligned with your design. That quick check helps prevent deliverability issues and keeps your emails compliant. And that's it. You've added the unsubscribed text to your Mautic email using the built-in token the right way.